So how can you advance your career with an MPA degree? One of the things that the MPA program teaches you is all of the leadership skills necessary to run an organization. This isn't just nonprofit organizations or state and federal organizations. Some of the basic concepts that we teach you within the MPA program also apply within a private sector business. You will become very familiar with things like public policy, finance, administrative law, leadership, ethics. All of these courses are necessary to be able to move you up into upper level management. For example, if you work in a human resources department, oftentimes your entry-level position is just some sort of human resources associate or manager or something like that. With an MPA degree, you can actually move into more of a director role, understanding labor laws, regulations, all of the ins and outs when it comes to understanding how a human resources department runs within an organization. Another example could be a financial analyst. For example, say that you work for the Governor's Office of Planning and Budget. If you're a financial analyst, usually you're only working in one particular program. When you move into an MPA degree and you get more upper level training, you can actually move into being a director of the Governor's Office of Planning and Budget. Obviously, it's going to take some time. You need to work within the field for a little bit longer, but the MPA degree is an initial first step getting into that upper level management that you're wanting to look for. Say you want to work in the nonprofit sector. Many times, nonprofit organizations run on bare bones budgets. If you have an MPA degree, you are going to be exposed to finance, leadership, ethics, human resources management. And all of those can be used to run a nonprofit organization that oftentimes is running on donations and very small budgets. Another thing that an MPA program could actually do to advance your career is teach you some of the necessary soft skills that are important for everyday organizations. Being a team player, learning how to work in groups, writing and communication skills. All of these things, while you probably do learn them on the job as you go, are necessary for you to be able to move up and to become a leader within your organization. For those that work in emergency services, oftentimes what you see is that if you want to become a battalion chief or a chief of a fire department or a chief of a police department, they often require you to have advanced degrees. So something like an MPA program could actually help you advance your career in emergency services. Learn more how to advance your career with an MPA degree by clicking the link down below to our program page.